Hi, and welcome to Indian Servers Python course. This is Vishwanath Hemant, Machine Learning Team Leader at Indian Servers, and I will be one of your course instructor in this course. So now that you got to know a little bit about me, let's actually look at what we are going to learn in this course. Shall we? This course is divided into a total of 8 modules, and these 8 modules will be taught to you by multiple people at Indian Servers, including our CEO, Mr. Sai Satish. In the first module, you're going to learn about Python and its installation. In the second module, you're going to learn about various data types, variables, operators, and strings in Python. In the third module, you're going to learn about data structures and conditional statements. In the fourth module, you're going to learn about loops and functions in Python. In the fifth module, you'll be introduced to the concept of modules and packages in Python and also exception handling in Python. In the sixth module, we'll study Python in an object-oriented approach and learn about classes and objects and also file handling in Python. Until the sixth module is the core Python. Module 7 and 8 are add-ons for this course. In the seventh module, you'll be introduced to data science and you'll learn about various libraries in Python for data science. In the eighth module, you'll learn how to use Python for automation, AI, and computer vision with the help of libraries like regex, OpenCV, OpenAI, and PyAutoGUI. Now let's take a look at module number 1. In this module, you'll learn about Python, its history and how it works, why should you take this course and what you can do after learning Python, what are the job roles and job opportunities in the market right now for Python, how to install Python and its IDEs, and about IPython notebooks.